What's going on, folks? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to start our first video of the spring season. This is going to be a whole series of videos. Today we're doing Pre-Emergent, so let's get to it. So if you watched our videos last year, you'll remember that we used pretty much all big box products. This year I decided to go back to Yard Mastery for a few different reasons. Number one, I think it's just a really good product, and it's convenient that I can just order it online and have it delivered directly to my house. The other reason why I decided to go back, especially for the Pre-Emergent, is because of the fact that they use prodiamine as the active ingredient for the Pre-Emergent in their product. With the Scott's Halts, they use a different active ingredient and it works just fine, and we had good results, but the prodiamine tends to last a little bit longer. It will last 3 to 6 months in preventing seeds from germinating. The other thing I like about this product is that it's a 007 makeup, which means that there's 0% nitrogen, 0% phosphorus, and 7% potassium. The reason why I like the potassium is because it helps with overall plant development, and that's the biggest thing that we're worried about during the spring months, is just to make sure that that plant is developing well and healthy during the key growing months of the summer. The thing to keep in mind about Pre-Emergent is that it prevents seeds of any kind from germinating. So one thing to think about is that if you're going to do any overseeding, don't put this down because it will keep seeds from germinating. Because I'm going to be doing some overseeding in my backyard, that's the reason why I'm not putting any of this down back there this year. As I mentioned in my last video, I have to deal with weeds in a different way from a post-emergent standpoint, which just means that we're going to be using some herbicide to deal with weeds. And that's okay for the purposes of what we're trying to accomplish this year. As for when you should be putting this down, for us, if you look at this diagram right here, you'll see that in Tennessee, we're worried about crabgrass germination around the April 20th time frame. And so as long as you get it down before that time, and every year is a little bit different, but for us, I'm gonna try and get Pre-Emergent down sometime around the March time frame. And so since we're right in the middle of March, this is a perfect time for me to be putting this down. Sometimes I go a little bit earlier depending on how the season is going, but this year, mid-March is perfect for us. As for other types of weeds, we're worried about crabgrass, but there are tons of other weeds that this product will take care of. And if you look at the label, it's got a very comprehensive list. You download that label, you can do a search for whatever it is that may be concerning to you. As for application rate, for my lawn, I'm putting this down on my Bermuda, and so I want to do about 3 pounds per 1,000. You do want to measure that out. You don't want to put down too much. I have about 2,000 square feet, so I'm only putting down about 6 pounds of this product to make sure that I've got good coverage on the front lawn. Alright folks, so that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, please put those down below in the comment section. I always enjoy hearing from you guys, and I definitely enjoy hearing any suggestions that you may have. And I also want to hear any of the plans that you have for this spring, including your Pre-Emergent or your overseeding or whatever it is that you're doing with your lawn. So with that, I hope you guys have enjoyed it, and I will see you on the next one. So don't forget to like if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if I've earned your subscription. And if you want to be notified of future videos, don't forget to hit that bell. We'll see you on the next one. Have a great week, everybody.